Big shout out to Eric for this deal. This is a killer deal for this mower. It's only $149 with the battery. It is self-propelled, top of the line model. Check this out, guys. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Make sure you guys jump on this SAP. And another deal I just put out there on my community tab of this this page YouTube channel. I did put a fan out, a rechargeable fan with battery integrate for around 20 bucks or 18 bucks, I believe it was. I'll see if I can leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. But make sure you guys check out my community tab. The instructions are there to get it for 20 bucks. All right, so this is the Hart 40 volt cordless brushless 20-inch self-propelled mower kit for with the 5 amp hour battery and charger. $149, guys, down from $428 to $149. This is a no-brainer. This is a sister company to Ryobi, so you guys are getting quality tools. Ryobi's been making mowers for the longest time ever. It's hard to get the image here. Yes, it's the 20-inch mower. I know it looks like the 16 or the 15, whatever, but it is the 20-inch mower. It is self-propelled, and it has all the bells and whistles for this, for this brand. Guys, check it out, guys. $149. The 6 amp hour battery is the one with the 6 amp hour battery is $384, and the one with the 5 amp hour battery, which is the one that we have, is $149, guys. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Jump on it, guys. Jump on it. It will sell out, or they'll fix it.